Confluence is an excellent tool for creating, organizing, and sharing documentation within teams. Here's how to use Confluence for documentation effectively. Create a space for documentation. Begin by creating a dedicated space for your documentation. Click on Spaces in the top navigation bar, then select Create Space. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of the documentation, such as product documentation or HR policies. Use page templates. Confluence offers templates specifically for documentation. Click Create to start a new page, and then select a relevant template like How to Article, Troubleshooting, or Meeting Notes. Templates provide a structured format to ensure consistency. Organize content hierarchically. Use parent and child pages to structure your documentation. For example, have a parent page for user guides and child pages for different topics or sections. This hierarchy makes it easy for users to navigate and find information. Add and format content. Use Confluence's rich text editor to add text, images, tables, and code snippets. Formatting options like headers, bullet points, and numbered lists help organize information clearly. Use macros to include dynamic content like tables of contents or page properties. Collaborate and review. Share pages with team members for input and feedback. Use comments for discussions or to suggest changes. Tag team members with mentions to notify them about specific points. Version control and history. Confluence automatically tracks version history. You can view previous versions of a document, compare changes, and revert to earlier versions if necessary. This ensures the documentation is always up to date and accurate. Search and access. Confluence's powerful search function allows users to find specific documents quickly. Use labels and keywords to improve searchability.